So, Redbird.
Yeah?
How come you think that I'm so much better than you?
What? Why the heck would you assume that you're better than me?
Oh, easy. Well, look at you. I'm a super awesome triangle, and you're just a double circle.
What?
Not only that, I'm way faster, stronger, and overall faster than you. So, yeah, I'm better than you.
Are you kidding me? If you helped me, the eggs would have been gone by now. Do you even realize how much you've needed me throughout this whole time?
Really? Game time.
Don't you remember what happened to the whole mirror incident?
Yeah! Flex! Flex again!
Yeah, Chuck, you gotta help me out with the eggs! The bears just took them!
Not now, I'm too busy flexing.
Hey, that's a mirror! Come on!
Yeah, fine. Yeah, I do kinda remember that. Still seems like that I'm better than you.
Chuck, I honestly have no idea how I can deal with this sometimes.
Yeah, that's easy. You don't. Oh, hey guys, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, Bombird. Wait, we're just arguing about who's better than another.
Yeah, I'm better than him, but he says that he's better than me.
But no, I'm not better than him. But what? Whatever. Look, the point is, Tucker's like saying that, like, oh, I'm better than you and stuff. But, like, he doesn't really do anything, you know?
Why not settle it in video games?
Yeah, I guess we could do that.
Yeah.
Which one, though?
Yeah. Smash Brothers?
Smash Brothers. Yeah, Smash Brothers.
3, 2, 1, go! Ha! Yo, there's the bye, I'll just smash me. Oh yeah! Where are we going? There we go. Ouch! Game! No fair! We had items turned off.
What? That's the whole point of Smash Brothers. To not have items on.
Turn items back on!
Fine.
3, 2, 1, go! Alright. Ow! What the heck? What the heck is this? What is this? I'm just like spinning up here. I don't know. Ow! Game!
You happy now, Chuck?
No fair! Eyes are odd!
But you asked for items!
Oh yeah. I want a rematch!
Fine.
3, 2, 1, go! Ha ha! I got a guy. Tiny red Yumi. Game. That's no fair. I had the car, but all you did was move out of the way.
How is that not fair?
I bet you. I don't even care about what you think. I don't know. What the heck was that? Anyway. Hello? Hey, Mrs. Pig! How's the spike going?
What do you want?
No, nothing. I kinda just wanted to call and say hi. That's actually pretty much it. And I just want to say, bring me those eggs.
You called me just to tell me that? You didn't give me away!
You want me to cry again? Huh? You want me to cry, Mrs. Pig? Do you want me to cry?
No. Okay. Yeah, thank you. See you later. Keep it, yeah. I am not going to do that again. So, anyway, the birds seem to argue about who's better than other, huh? Yeah, he uses this as a way to get the eggs.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, alright!
What the heck are you guys doing?
We're playing with the new piggy spinner! Isn't it awesome?
No, it's not awesome. I need you to go help me get the eggs.
Come on, 5 more minutes!
No more minutes. Now help me out.
Fine. Whatever.
pigs. Whatever, come on. Alright, bees, see those birds?
Yeah.
I need you to go up to them and just let them beat you up.
Wait, what? Why would we do that?
Don't you see? They're arguing about who's better. And because they're gonna do that, they're gonna go decide, hey, I'm better than you, so I can beat up those pigs.
How the heck do you know that they're gonna do that?
I don't know, because they're birds.
Okay.
Alright, you go first.
Chuck, I'm better than you and you know it.
Oh, you're all Hey, Dad.
Hi, Beard. Let's just be says you have to beat me up. Wait a minute. We can decide who's better if we beat up that pig!
Morons.
So what do you need us for?
Meat shields.
What?
Nothing. Just have me carry the egg.
We still can't find out who's better. What the? Hey! The pigs are stealing the eggs! Maybe we can find who's better if we beat up those pigs! Let's go!
Don't sing!
Okay.
Hey, about the eggs, no hard feelings about that, right?
I got it. We can play a home run contest, and whoever launches the sandbag the farthest is better.
Wait, where's the sandbag, though?
3, 2, 1, go! We still can't find out who's better. Yeah, this is the only thing isn't killed kind of pointless. I mean, we did save the eggs, but... Oh, I get it! Hey! You guys can decide who's better! Yeah! You guys over there in the comment section. You guys need to comment who's better. Me or Chuck? Yeah, don't just be Redbird though. He sucks. Hey! Yeah!